fall in love with Apan Vayu Mudra. Dr. H.S. Gupta writes an official document that Apan Vayu Mudra is a boon in heart diseases. Whenever patients come to his hospital, even during the midnight, for chest pain or blockage, the first thing he says them to do is Apan Vayu Mudra before starting the treatment. Apan Vayu Mudra can save you from an heart attack. It is both preventive and curative. In the last 40 years, heart ailments have increased significantly. In the last 10 years alone, we have 33% increase in heart issues. There are many other benefits of Apan Vayu Mudra. This mudra is also known as Mritu Sanjeevani Mudra, means bringing the dead to life. This is why this mudra is called the life-saving mudra. Let's get started with Apan Vayu Mudra. Are you ready? This mudra is formed by joining the index finger at the root of the thumb finger and joining the tip of the middle finger and the tip of the ring finger at the tip of the thumb finger and keeping the little finger straight. You can do this mudra anytime, anywhere for 15 minutes for 2 to 3 times a day. Hello everybody, my name is Unati and I learned these mudras from my mother who is an expert in mudra science. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and share this video to all your nears and dears.